Good evening, everyone. I have reached Luang Prabang. The process of visa on arrival was very easy. I'll just let you know what the process is. I was actually trying to make a video of it, but the policeman came, he saw my phone, and he deleted that video. So I'll just let you know it's very easy. First of all, when you'll arrive at the airport, they'll just give you the form for visa on arrival. It's a very simple form. You just need to fill the details and where you're staying as well, and one passport size photograph. Once you fill it, you just have to stand in a queue, and that would take like 5-10 minutes, and you just have to hand them the money for the visa. So I'll just take my case for the reference. I hold Indian passport, so I had to pay 40 US dollars. Now, if you're from other country, the list is actually mentioned, and how much you have to pay. It's actually mentioned over there. Now, I couldn't take the photograph of that as well because the policeman was just looking at me. So yeah, the maximum fee is actually 40 US dollars, so it wouldn't be more than that. Some websites mention more money, so I would say just don't go through any website. Just come here, do visa on arrival. Once you give them the money, they just hand your passport over to you. Then you stand in another queue, and they take your photograph. That's it. That's pretty much it. The whole process will take about 10 to 15 minutes. It's that easy. But I'm only talking about Luang Prabang Airport, not any other airport. Now, if you're arriving at Vientiane, you can actually apply for e-visa. I didn't have to go through a lot. It was done. Now I'm at hotel, and it's about 6 p.m. right now. It's going to be sunset, and this is how the view looks like. My hotel is just over there, so it's not too far. But this is how the way looks like. I'll be exploring Luang Prabang tomorrow because it's already 6. Maybe I'll go to some night markets today.